Hello my C++ students. So let's look at assignment 1 question 2. The question is as follows. A teacher at Leva Primary School needs to divide her class in different group sizes according to, let's make this slightly smaller, according to the activity they have to do. This will help her to prepare worksheets for each group. For example, for art projects, the class has to be divided in groups of 6. For science projects, the class has to be divided in groups of 4. She asked you to write a program to determine the number of groups as well as the number of pupils who are left to form a smaller group. There are 56 pupils in the class. The program has the following structure. Declare 3 int variables, nrPupils, nrGroups, and nrLeft. nrPupils represents the number of pupils in a class. nrGroups represent the number of groups. The number is divided into, and nrLeft represents the number of pupils, any, who are in the remaining small group. Assign the value 56 to nrPupils. Declare an int variable group size that is used by a cin statement to input a value from the keyboard and store the size of the groups the teacher requested. Display an appropriate message. Example, please enter the size of each group. Write the statement to calculate the number of groups of group size. Write the statement to calculate the number of pupils who are in the remaining smaller group. The output of the program must be displayed as follows. There are 9 groups consisting of 6 pupils. There are 3 remaining pupils. Submit both your program and the output. Any ideas, my C++ students? By now you should have code blocks working. You should have been able to create a new project. Let's go to console application, C++, and the project title is assignment01 Q2. Right, let's go ahead. Couldn't write, maybe the write protected. Let's take that out. Okay, let's check that our program is working. Build and run, build and run. Great, build and run is working. Hello world. So what they said, the output of the program should be displayed as follows. There are so many pupils. Now any program has input, processing, and output. What I'd like you to try out is, can you, 1, declare those int variables? Can you, it says please enter the size of each group. I think that's easiest. I can start from there, right? So that's simple. Cout please enter the size of each group. Aha! I got the answer from the question. Isn't that cool? So let's run build and run, build and run, build and run, build and run. Hello world, please enter the size of each group. This is cool. So I'm going to stop at that point. This is the input statement that they're asking for, alright? So I told you any program, input, processing, and output. I have to stop because I can't make the video file too large. I'm not going to be able to upload it to my Unisa. But let's see what you have to say about the rest of it, okay? Bye for now.